I am back and I wanted to talk about my 2022 KDP earnings. And I know it's late, it's October, but I had a lot going on at the end of last year and the beginning of this year, and I'm just now getting back into doing my KDP. Alright, so first I want to say that I did not do a lot in 2022 due to just had a lot going on and working and sick. So I don't think I created any new notebooks in 2022, and then I had 34 books in 2022, and I just published some more. So as of today I have 37, but for the purposes of this video it's 34 notebooks that were created. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to start with January of 2023. I'm sorry, January of 2022. I made $29.22 in royalties. February of 2022, $20.40. March of 2022, $79.32. In the beginning of the year, I may have done some advertising, and I did post a little on social media, but that was the most I put into it. We'll see here in a minute if I did any marketing, but let's see. April of 2022, $40.68. May, $17.40. June, $19.68. July, $9.96. August, $8.16. September, $20. September, $1.40. October, $6.12. November, $0. And December, $0. See, January of this year, $66. I just wanted to show you January, but for this purposes of this video, we're only talking about 2022. Let me see real quick if I did any marketing. March, April, May, August, and January I did advertising. And if y'all want me to do more on advertising, I will. But so I did do some advertising, which did help sales. So let's go back over to our KDP here. Okay, so for 2022, that makes my total amount that I made $232.34. And 2021, my total was $171.24. So now I'm going to go over to see how many units sold. I'm going to go to 2022. So see, January, 7 units. February 7 units, March 23 units, April 12 units, May 5 units, June 7 units, July and August 4 units, September 1 unit, October 3 units, and November and December 0 units. So for 2022, sold 73 units, and 2021 I sold 44 units. And then let's see, so far from the beginning to now I have sold 151 units, and my biggest seller is a weight loss journal that I created, and that has sold 76 units, so that is half of my sold products. And then as of today, my total amount that I have made is $506.98. And then someone had made a comment. Let's see. The comment says, you just publish low content books and just 30 books a year. You need to work more to make more people are using. Basically what they're saying is that I need to have more books because other people are publishing like 30 books a day, and I understand that. I am not competing with everybody else. I'm trying to make books that people can use more than just regular plain notebooks, like journals. I'm just random things I'm naming, like manifestation journals, password books, like my exercise journal, things that people are really going to use, not just regular notebooks. So what I am trying to do is just put more thought and more effort into the notebooks, and not just making plain notebooks just because everybody else is throwing notebooks out there. I'm not trying to do that. But like I said, by the end of the year, I do plan on having at least 50 notebooks that I am happy with, and I'm just going to keep creating notebooks as I see fit here. But like I said, I understand a lot of people are more interested in putting just lots and lots of notebooks out there, but I'm not going to do that. I mean, I'm going to get a lot of notebooks in my KDP. It's just I'm not putting anything out there. I'm trying to put thought into what I'm doing. So anyway, so I am starting to experiment with Pinterest in my notebooks. I did create 3 new notebooks in the last week that are now live. So as of today, I have 37 books published, which is right here. But I'll probably take off maybe 7 to 10 notebooks that I'm not happy with, and I will have a lot more notebooks by the end of the year here. I probably will do some advertising towards the end of the year, probably starting in October, after I figure out, what I want on my KDP and things of that nature. And that is it for now. So I will give a update in January, and if you have any questions, leave them below. If there's anything else you want to see, I will probably do a marketing video. I probably have done one already, but I'll do another marketing video. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.